to use makeup to make us more beautiful. If the artificial beauty cannot be accepted, in my opinion, actually I like nature more than artificial. Not only makeup, but a lot of things, like food or scenery. But I have to say, sometimes things are more beautiful after processing or defining it, like clothes or shoes. People like beautiful things, but why beautiful things? It doesn't matter, because each person has their own opinion. We can't change their mind, and we have to respect them. Like me, I think I'm not beautiful, but some people still love to make friends with me because of my personality, or maybe I just always make them happy. Everything can be loved. It depends on how do you think about it. So I won't say natural is better than artificial. There's no answer for me. I think if we are more confident about ourselves, we are already beautiful because we believe that we are the best and it will never change. The heart sees what's invisible to the eye. Just think about this way, and the natural and artificial beauty are not important anymore. Thanks for listening. Wish you guys have